Hey, permanent jewelry artists, I'm gonna show you how to double your profits with this little stick. And so this is called a sparkle and shine stick, and it's a great way to increase your profits and to really grow your business. And so Payton, what are some ways you use this? And for those of you who don't know, this is a jewelry cleaning pin, so you can, I'll let you demo it on me.
Yes.
And then we'll tell them about how they can grow their business.
Absolutely. So this is kind of like a cuticle pin. You're going to twist at the end until the product starts to come out on the brush. And then you brush and then rotate to be able to clean your jewelry. It's a super great upsell at the end of your appointment. So I always let people know to take the best care of their jewelry, to always have it be sparkly and shiny, to clean this as often as possible. And it is completely safe for all of the metal types. I retail these guys at the end and people love them. Another way that I use these is for an aftercare kit. So when I have a great client come in that has a high ticket spend, we'll do a free aftercare kit. So it has my sparkle and shine stick, a little brush. It also has a couple pieces of chocolate, my business card, and a polishing cloth. And so that aftercare kit makes people feel so special, and it's just a great way to get my branding out there and make sure that people are taking care of their jewelry for the best client experience.
Yeah, and in marketing, we call that a premium. It's a free gift. And so I know sometimes you'll do like the aftercare kit if they buy a certain amount or if they buy 2 bracelets. And so this is a great way to create an offer, because a lot of people just rely on discounts to get more business, but instead you can do an offer where it's like, hey, free aftercare kit or free permanent jewelry cleaning pin, you know, $15 value or whatever value you want to put on it, if you buy 2 bracelets, or if you get an extra piece, or if you upgrade and get a charm. And so there's many ways you can be creative so the customer feels like they're getting a better deal, but they're also spending more money versus spending less money if you were to discount. And so I really believe in these. Like, yes, they're good for cleaning jewelry and you can put them in your purse or pocket, but it's also a great way to double your profits and grow your business. And so make sure you check out the Sparkle and Shine sticks on our website, linkedpermanentjewelrytraining.com.